Hello, world. Darren Martineau here, and this is Digital Marketing Masters. This is my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and hit the like button, share with all your friends. And I'm going to tell you some of my top ways. These are like my top 5 or 10 ways to make money online. It doesn't matter if you're promoting any product or any service. Doesn't matter if you're a business owner, any kind of business owner, whether you want to be online or offline. This will fall into all those categories. This solution that I'm going to offer in the link below. But in this video, I'm going to tell you, this is for people that want to make extra income, or if they want to, however much income you want to make. If you want to, quit your job, if you want to, you want to make money online. So these are some of the best ways, and I've been doing this for many years. I've just kind of been quietly pocketing the money. There's a lot of marketers out there that don't say anything about that either. But I decided to share what I'm doing because I've been getting some results, and I really enjoy teaching. So this is why, and I want to share with people that are in frustrating situations, such as moms that want to be home with their family, or dads that want to be home with their family, or just anybody that is sick and tired of being sick and tired. So that's why I created this channel, is to help people, because I've been able to you know get great results. So here's some of my top ways. Okay, affiliate marketing. Okay, that's one of the top ways. That's one. Number two is book marketing. I have over 100 books on Amazon. That is true passive income. Yeah, I had to write the books, and I've written them about magic and other topics as well, like marketing and other things. But I believe that everyone has at least one good book in you. And if you don't want to write a book, you can just go to Upwork or Fiverr. You can outsource this stuff. I mean, I'm going to make different videos about different things. So without going off on a tangent, this video is about some of the top ways. So like I said, it doesn't matter if it's a product or service. You're going to need a system. You're going to need an all-in-one solution, and that's an incredible marketing system, and that's what I'm offering. So if you click on the link below, put in your email, you'll see what the system is. And what it is, it's a free funnel essentially, which costs it would cost you like hundreds of thousands of dollars, but for developers. But you get this absolutely free, and it's a very simple 5-step system. Okay, you follow the steps. If you're not a tech person, if you don't know what to do, it takes you through everything. And we have a Facebook group. You can join our Facebook group, and we have uh, live uh, trainings every single week. So come and join us if you'd like to learn more. So some of the top 5 are, again, affiliate marketing, 2, book marketing, selling on Amazon. Uh, 3 is going to be starting a YouTube channel, becoming an influencer. It doesn't matter what you want to do. All this will fall into this category, because you're going to need a website. You're going to need an email builder. And what if I was to tell you all of those things, instead of having to go out and get all these different things and duct tape it together? What if it was all in one system? And that's what this is. So click on the link, put in your email, and you'll see what this system is. Have a great day.